When the brain tries to defend itself from beta amyloid, it seems to not get it quite right. It seems to cause even more of a mess.
As the damage spreads, more and more neurons die, leaving whole regions of the brain infested with plaques.
It doesn't perfectly co-migrate with any of the other bands, so it's a little bit tough
So
to
these are her stable transfectants, right? So
Scientists like Dennis Selkoe theorize that lowering the amount of beta amyloid in the brain may prevent Alzheimer's disease, just as lowering levels of cholesterol prevents heart disease.
the trouble is that it's not so easy because, number one, the theory might be wrong. It's a hypothesis, not a fact. And number two, even if it's right, it may be trouble to lower amyloid. It may cause side effects. But experimental work that's been done in many laboratories worldwide supports this hypothesis strongly. And the proof will come from lowering beta amyloid in people and watching their Alzheimer's get better.
In a pharmaceutical lab near San Francisco, neuroscientist Dale Schenk has taken a step toward that goal with a strategy that surprised many scientists.
The novelty was to use the immune system to treat Alzheimer's disease, to try to tell the immune system, in fact, that this plaque material in the brain is foreign and our immune system needs to get rid of it.
Schenk developed a vaccine made from beta amyloid itself and tested it on genetically engineered mice, bred to develop plaques like those in Alzheimer's disease.
Well, as it turned out, to our huge surprise, when we immunized them from a young age onward and then looked at an old age when they should have a lot of plaque lesions, they had almost none. Their brain was almost entirely perfect.
Encouraged by his findings, Schenk wondered if the vaccine might eliminate plaques that had already formed in older mice. He vaccinated one group of older mice, but left a control group untreated. He found that the brains of the mice in the control group were ravaged by plaque, but the brains of the vaccinated mice had almost no plaques at all.
In the beginning, I was skeptical, and then I saw the data, and the data are very good, and they're very persuasive, and that's why everybody's very excited.
But establishing the safety and effectiveness of the vaccine and other new treatments for Alzheimer's will require years of testing.
I'm hoping at least I can hang on long enough that somebody can make a breakthrough to figure out how to take care of this stuff. Right now, I really don't have much fear. I think that what concern, though, is the future. What's 5 years from now or 10 years from now?
Okay. I'm not going to cut any more today. It's enough.
I really thought that in my lifetime, I wouldn't see effective treatment for Alzheimer's disease. And I believe now that in my lifetime, I will.
Let me start hearing this in, please.
Okay.
In my darkest night, when the moon was covered and I roamed through wreckage, a nimbus clouded voice directed me. Live in the layers, not on the litter. Though I lack the art to decipher it, no doubt the next chapter in my book of transformations is already written. I am not done with my changes.